What if your YouTube channel could explode with new subscribers while you sleep? Imagine viral videos, skyrocketing views, and unstoppable growth, all on autopilot. This is the new reality of YouTube automation. Get ready to unlock the system that works for you, even when you're off the clock. Build a channel on autopilot, setting up systems that work for you, even when you're not actively working on them. Imagine the possibilities of having a YouTube presence that grows steadily, without demanding all of your time and energy. No camera or editing skills required. You don't need to be a seasoned video editor or a charismatic on-screen personality to succeed with this method. The YouTube Shorts Factory is your ticket to passive channel growth. It's a system designed to generate content, attract viewers, and build a community, all while minimizing your direct involvement. Imagine a channel that grows and earns subscribers, steadily increasing its reach and influence, while you sleep or work. This isn't just about making videos, it's about building a sustainable automated system that generates value over time. The secret? Automation. Harnessing the power of AI and other tools to streamline the entire content creation process. We'll use AI tools to handle everything, automating repetitive tasks and freeing up your time for more strategic activities. From script writing to video creation, turning those scripts into visually appealing and shareable YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are what the platform is pushing, recognizing the growing popularity of short-form video content, and the algorithm rewards consistent vertical content. By focusing on Shorts, you're positioning yourself for maximum visibility and growth. This is a golden opportunity for beginners, a chance to enter the world of YouTube content creation without the traditional barriers to entry. No need to be on camera, allowing you to create content anonymously, and without the pressure of being in front of an audience. No technical skills needed, making it accessible to anyone. Spend less time on the tedious aspects of content creation and more time on strategy and growth. The system is scalable, meaning you can easily adapt and expand your content creation efforts as your channel grows and your audience expands. Start with one short a day, establishing a consistent posting schedule and building momentum, then ramp up as you go. Think of each AI tool as a worker on your assembly line, each playing a specific role in the content creation process. One generates ideas, sparking creativity and ensuring a constant flow of fresh content. Another creates visuals, bringing your ideas to life with eye-catching graphics and animations. And another schedules uploads, ensuring your content is consistently published at optimal times to maximize engagement. Your role? Manage the process and keep the factory running smoothly. This method removes the biggest barriers, eliminating the obstacles that often prevent people from starting and growing a YouTube channel. Fear of being on camera, allowing you to create content without having to show your face. Lack of skills, providing you with the tools and resources you need to succeed, regardless of your technical abilities, and time constraints. Freeing up your time and allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your life. Focus on strategy. Pick a niche and know your audience, while automation handles production. You're about to set up a content engine that works 24/7. Get ready to build your automated YouTube Shorts factory. Start your journey toward passive channel growth today. Let's get started. Great content starts with great ideas and compelling scripts. It's the bedrock upon which successful content is built. Enter ChatGPT, your AI scriptwriter ready to tackle any topic. Think of it as a tireless brainstorming partner, available 24/7. The key to unlocking ChatGPT's potential lies in giving it clear, specific prompts. The more detail you provide, the better the results. Specify the topic, your target audience, the desired tone, and the format you're aiming for. For example, write 5 60-second scripts about surprising facts from ancient Rome, suitable for a young adult audience interested in history. Continue the prompt with, each with a catchy hook to grab attention, 3 concise and verifiable facts, and a clear call to action encouraging viewers to learn more. With a well-crafted prompt, ChatGPT delivers ready-to-use scripts in minutes, saving you countless hours. Once you have a solid, effective prompt, you can generate dozens of scripts at once, batching your content creation and maximizing your efficiency. This means no more staring at a blank page, struggling with writer's block. Don't be afraid to tweak prompts to explore sub-niches within your topic. Remember to carefully review and refine the output to ensure the highest possible quality and maximum audience engagement. This crucial step keeps your content factory stocked with a steady stream of fresh, high-quality material ready for production. It's the powerful creative engine that drives your Shorts factory, providing a constant flow of engaging content. Now that we have our scripts ready, let's move on to the next exciting step, turning those scripts into captivating videos. Ready to turn your scripts into captivating videos? Do it fast. Really fast. AI video generators like InVideo AI are revolutionizing content creation by automating the most tedious parts of editing. This includes adding voiceovers, selecting the perfect visuals, and syncing everything together seamlessly. Simply paste your script, choose a voice that resonates with your audience, and select your preferred background music. Then, let the AI work its magic, automatically assembling everything into a cohesive video. The tool intelligently finds relevant stock footage and images to enhance your narrative. It also adds animated captions, a crucial element for engaging viewers on platforms like YouTube Shorts. For example, if you mention Roman legions in your script, the AI will automatically insert footage of marching Roman soldiers, bringing your words to life. Don't like a particular clip? No problem. Swap it out in seconds with a more suitable alternative, or if you prefer, upload your own custom footage to personalize your video even further. Fine-tune your video by adjusting the music, tweaking the timing, or customizing the captions to perfectly match your vision. With these tools, you can create a polished short in just minutes, ready to captivate your audience. Best of all, no prior video editing experience is needed to achieve professional-looking results. This powerful balance of automation and creative control empowers you to scale up your video production efforts. You can achieve this scale without sacrificing the high quality your audience expects. Produce dozens of engaging videos quickly and efficiently. Keep your content pipeline consistently full, ensuring a steady stream of fresh videos for your audience. Think of this AI-powered system as the Video Forge, the very heart of your content creation factory. It's efficient, creative, and always on, ready to transform your ideas into compelling videos. Now you can truly focus on the content itself, rather than getting bogged down by technical hurdles. With the power of AI, video production is no longer a bottleneck, but a seamless and efficient process. Next up, we'll explore how to refine and repurpose your content even further, maximizing its impact and reach. Want to repurpose blogs or long videos? Enter the editing bay. Pictory turns articles into multiple shorts. Just paste your text, and the AI creates videos for each key point. OpusClip takes long-form videos, finds the best moments, and edits them into viral-ready shorts. Upload a podcast or interview, and OpusClip delivers a batch of engaging clips, vertical, captioned, and scored for virality. These tools let you recycle existing content, multiplying your output with minimal effort. Your factory now has multiple input streams: scripts, blogs, and long videos. No content goes to waste. Everything can be transformed into shorts. This is working smarter, not harder. Diversify your content sources and keep your publishing schedule packed. The editing bay maximizes your reach and efficiency. Now let's automate publishing. With videos ready, it's time to schedule for maximum impact. Use YouTube Studio's built-in scheduler to upload and plan a week's worth of shorts in one session. Write keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and hashtags, then set each video to go live at optimal times. Tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy offer analytics and suggest the best posting times for your audience. Scheduling in bulk ensures daily uploads, even if you're busy or away. Consistency is key. The algorithm favors regular posting. Your assembly line keeps content flowing, building audience trust and algorithm momentum. No more daily uploads, just set and forget. Let automation handle the routine so you can focus on strategy. Your channel stays active and growth becomes effortless. Here's the formula: niche X consistency, X automation equals sign growth. A focused niche attracts a loyal audience and helps the algorithm find your viewers. Consistency builds habits and signals reliability to YouTube. Automation makes it all possible. No burnout, just steady output. Pick a specific niche, post regularly, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. This system guarantees progress, not just luck or viral flukes. Your channel becomes a dependable source in its niche. Automation frees you to focus on strategy and scaling. When these three forces combine, passive growth is inevitable. This is the blueprint for sustainable YouTube success. Let's see it in action. Does this work? Absolutely. Just look at faceless channels thriving today. Channels like Facts, Fact Nominal, and Psychology says gain thousands of subscribers monthly. No faces, just value. They use stock footage, AI voiceovers, and consistent posting to dominate their niches. Motivational and quote channels do the same, pairing simple scripts with powerful visuals and music. The result? Explosive growth and loyal audiences. The brand is the channel. not the creator's personality. Perfect for beginners or introverts. Your content is what matters. Follow their model, pick a niche, automate production, and post consistently. The path is proven. Just start walking it. You have the blueprint now, it's time to act. Use ChatGPT for scripts, InVideo AI for videos, and YouTube Studio for scheduling. Pick a niche you enjoy and generate your first batch of shorts. Don't overthink. Start small and improve as you go. Publish consistently and let the data guide your next steps. Every short is an asset working for you, building momentum. Growth may be slow at first, but the system compounds over time. Trust the process and keep your factory running. You're not just building a channel, you're creating a passive income engine. The tools and roadmap are in your hands. The YouTube gold rush is here, powered by automation. The best time to start is now. Go build your factory. Found this helpful? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss out on future updates.